Today is Wednesday, and I want to present Hatriot Mail to you.
If Ayn Rand and Ronald Reagan had a baby and suckled that child off the teat of liberty, its cries would sound a little something like Hatriot Mail. Written by patriots who hate David Pakman. Because America. And because freedom.
I don't really have too much of an introduction or explanation to today's episode of Hatriot Mail. I was trying to come up with something, but there's really no way to introduce something this insane, so I will say nothing more and just play it for you.
I just watched your Hatriot Mail on anti-Semitism. It's people like you who cause it. People expel Jews because what's good for the Jews is bad for everyone else.
Ugh.
We've seen this time and time again throughout history. Jews are a nuisance.
Yeah.
Ugh.
This type of person just disgusts me, Lewis. I mean, what else can I say?
It's disgusting. I always enjoy a Hatriot Mail that is about a different Hatriot Mail.
Yeah, Hatriot Mail has now become self-referential, where Hatriot Mail itself is so angering to people who see it and they're like, wait a second, that's not a Hatriot, that's someone who's well-reasoned and smart, that now people feel compelled to hate on Hatriot Mail. It's quite a situation, I have to say.
I like it. I think it's growing. It's like it's a monster, David. It's alive.